Hey folks, Maverick Indicators here. I want to show you, man, I love trading minis sometimes. So if you are new to futures and you want to give yourself a lot of wiggle room to be wrong. Maybe you're still learning trading, maybe you're getting used to our Maverick indicators, whatever it is. Try trading minis. Do your own research, not financial advice, but pretty fun. And I'll show you, I'm in this mini trade here on gold. And to give you an idea, it's 110, so this would be $200 trade here. It's coming down a little bit. Probably test the Maverick guide here. But you can see we were up about $50, $60, and that's a $500 to $600 trade on a regular gold contract. But I could be really, really wrong on this trade and lose like $20, which is nothing, right? Especially when you're trading a funded account that's $50,000, $20 is nothing. And you're not going to risk your account once you pass a funded account. So pretty fun. Pretty fun to just trade minis. And you really, way less stress too. I was up about $50 here, which again would be $500 the way we normally trade with a full contract size on gold. And it came all the way down. This would be $150. You get the point. It came all the way down to zero. And normally it's like, oh, I just lost $500. Well, with this, I lost $30. Big deal. You know what I mean? So minis can be really fun. Let me explain why we're even in this trade here. If you're new to the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X, I'll show you this other really cool indicator that we are about to give to for free for our lifetime members. So we have a green background. Anybody can see this, right? Green background, green cloud. You're above the Maverick guide. Remember, when you're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When you are below the Maverick guide, we go short. Now, you're not going to see a lot of shorts here because this is gold, and gold has been ripping up. Here's a short, broke below the Maverick guide. Here's a long, above the Maverick guide. Here's a short, broke below the Maverick guide. So above the Maverick guide, we go long. Below, it's this blue line right here. Below the Maverick guide, we go short. Above the Maverick guide, we go long. So let me just get back here. So we're above the blue line, the Maverick guide. We had all these confidence arrows here, which was wonderful. So they just tell you, hey, you're looking at the right direction. Bright green candles, which is your strongest to the upside. Our Maverick Multi-X, 6 time frames, 5 traders all voting on 6 time frames. They were all voting green. This thing was solid green. Let me refresh this. We're having an internet issue here. This thing was solid green. So when trading is stacking probability, so when you have a green background, when you have bright green candles, when you have up arrows, when you're above your Maverick guide, when your 200 is green, when you are completely solid green across 6 time frames, I'm jumping in. Now, there's this cool indicator down here, which is called the Maverick Trender. And think of this as a strength indicator. And right now, we are pegged to the upside. So even though my candle is coming down a little bit, and we're having a little bit of a retracement here, this is really interesting to me that you were still pegged to the upside. So really think of this as a ceiling. When you have strong downside, let me see if I can just stretch this for you guys here. And then I'll just show you. This is going to be free for the lifetime members. So see how it gets pegged right here for red? And then look, we came down. We broke under the Maverick guide. So that's a nice short right there. And then look, you got pegged right here. Hopefully you're seeing this right here. Whoops. You got pegged right here to the upside. And you can see how it just took off from here. So you have bright green candles, bunch of up arrows, confidence arrows on the Maverick AI Pro. You're above the Maverick guide, and look, your Maverick trender, you're pegged green to the top. You're pretty much just looking at the top of this chart. Okay, this is where you're looking, the top. Oops. Okay, you see that? Let go. See this top? This is what you're looking at. So whenever you see this peg to the top, that means there's strength to the upside. Strength to the upside. Strength to the upside. Okay? Now right now it's saying there's no trend. So you don't have a super strong trend. See? Your trend is down here. You don't have any strength to the upside. You're kind of just getting consolidated here. Okay? You're just getting consolidated. So anyway, I wanted to jump on here and just show you how it can be super fun to trade with minis, and also give you a preview of the Maverick trender. I mean, look at this whole run from here to here. See this whole run from here to here, all the way up? You had bright green candles, the Maverick AI Pro. You had up confidence arrows. You were above your blue line. You're above your Maverick guide. You're above your cloud. Green background, and look at your Maverick trender. It was pegged to the upside. It was pegged to the top of the panel. Okay, that's what we love to see. That's showing strength. When you have that many things going in your favor, I'm jumping in and I'm riding that sucker up. Okay, so anyway, pretty fun stuff. So again, this would be $130 on $110, $120 on a regular gold contract. But it can just be fun to trade minis. And then let's say it bounces on this Maverick guide and it starts going back up. You can just add positions, right? You can just go, all right, well, if it breaks this, let's see here. If it breaks $15, let's say that, then I'm going to add a position. Well, let's see. Let's watch it. Maybe you'll do it. Maybe you won't. I don't know if it's going to. I don't want to make it like the world's longest recording and wait for it. But you can easily add these positions, and because they're just minis, you can give yourself a nice cushion and a nice stop loss. And then you can grab these big moves up, because when it comes back down, it's not hurting you. It's not crippling you. It's not, from here to here could be, $300 in drawdown. But on a mini, that'd be like $30. You see what I'm saying? So it's just really comfortable. And I know traders who will just trade, 4 of these. And then they're really comfortable if they get their stop loss taken out. They only lost, 50, $70 or something like that. And they can continue to trade for the day. But when you get these big long moves, man, you can make a few $100. And a big long move with a few $100 times, maybe 3 or 4 funded accounts is really nice. See, now I got, boom, I'm going to add a position. So now I got 2 minis, and now I'm still like, it can't hurt me, right? Even if it came all the way down here, what am I going to lose? $50. Okay, so it's just a nice stress-free, easy way to trade. And even just making $100 a day on minis, times say 3 or 4 accounts. I mean, it's $300-400 a day times 5 days a week. That's $2,000 a week. I mean, and it's pretty stress free. Look, we're just bebopping around $5, $1. It's like no big deal, right? Okay, $9. Are you gonna cry if you lose $9? No. $19? No. You know what I mean? So anyway, we're hung up on this Maverick guide. Just want to make this quick little video on minis, how the Maverick AI Pro works, and then this Maverick trender indicator down here that we're going to be giving to all our lifetime members coming up here. It's pretty fun, pretty cool. So anyway, cool. Happy trading. Keep rocking it. We'll see where gold goes, and we're just going to have some fun. All right. Have a great day. Maverick Indicator. I guess I should tell you how to find this. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.